Hello and welcome to Developing Developer. This is Abhishek, and in this series I'm creating a movies API using Spring Boot. So far we have created a get endpoint to get the movies using ID and the list of all the movies, then a post endpoint to add or create a movie, and a put endpoint to update a movie. In this video we will be creating a delete endpoint to delete a movie using the ID. So let's head to the service class, create a method. It will take an ID and it won't return anything. So let's head to the add the implementation. So find the value. So we'll be using the same logic, that is, if the value exists, if the movie exists, then we get the movie. If it doesn't, we can throw an exception, remove the curly braces. All right, now if the movie exists, just go to repository, delete by ID and delete it, and this method won't return anything. Let's create an endpoint, delete mapping. It will have a path variable, fun, so path variable ID of type int, and this will return a response entity of type unit. So service response entity, let's create an object on service dot delete by ID and pass the ID. Now whenever you delete an entity, you pass the status code as 204, that is no content, and it tells that the content is deleted, and you don't return anything else. So let's run the application and test out the endpoint. For testing the endpoint, I'll go to Postman, add, since our database doesn't have anything, so I'll add some movies. Now you can check, we have few movies. Let's delete the sixth one. We are getting error that the movie with ID 6 doesn't exist. So let's delete the third one. Okay, and we are not getting anything, but our status is 204. That means we have successfully deleted the a movie. Let's confirm this using a get. You can see we have 1, 2, and we don't have third entity. We have fourth and fifth. So our movie is successfully deleted from the database. So our endpoint works. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and happy coding.